Anxiety is the body's natural alarm system that warns us when something is unsafe or dangerous. An anxiety disorder is when our body is sending out a lot of false alarms. Kind of like one of those yappy dogs that barks at everything, even when it's just a squirrel. So everybody worries. That is just a universal life experience. But an anxiety disorder means that the worries are so severe that they're interfering with your ability to enjoy the moment, or they're stopping you from going out and doing things and affecting your functioning in life and your relationships. Other common symptoms are irritability, difficulty sleeping, stomach aches, headaches, and lots of tension. A few of the most common would be generalized anxiety disorder, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, panic disorder, and social phobia. Generalized anxiety disorder is worrying a lot about what ifs. What if I do poorly on that test? What if a thunderstorm comes and my TV gets struck by lightning? Just general worries. OCD, also obsessive compulsive disorder, means there are specific worries that get stuck in your head, like, what if I didn't turn off the stove? And those worries that are so stuck cause you to go back and check and recheck, is the stove off? Is the stove off? Let me go look one more time if I turned off the stove. Or cause people to do specific rituals or need things in just so. Panic disorder means people who have panic attacks, often in crowded situations, that can feel like a heart attack with heart racing, a feeling like you're going to die, can't breathe. And then social phobia is when people get a feeling like they're under a magnifying glass and people are judging them all the time. And you can't go out and have fun at parties or get up on stage in front of people because you're so anxious. Generally, the first treatment for anxiety for most people is talk therapy, which can help you change your thinking patterns to find a more effective way of managing your stresses. For some people, medication in combination with talk therapy is helpful. Taking medication helps you become more resilient, more able to bounce back and take a hit and keep running, so that when you do the talk therapy, it goes faster and it's easier. So medication can support you while you do the hard work in talk therapy. It's time to get help for anxiety when you notice that the anxiety is interfering with your relationships, interfering with your ability to do your job, causing you to get poor sleep, and causing you to not really get the most out of your life because the worries are so stuck in your head that you just can't think about other things. Your symptoms are real, and anxiety disorder is a very real disorder. Just because there's no blood test for it like diabetes, or other people can't necessarily see your symptoms like a broken leg, doesn't mean that they're not very powerful, because the mind is a very powerful thing. So a lot of people think they should just get over their anxiety. It's just worrying. They should be strong enough to manage it on their own. And honestly, if it were that easy, you would have figured it out already, and it wouldn't still be bothering you. If your anxiety is making it difficult for you to live your life to its fullest, it's time to get help for it. People who have an anxiety disorder commonly find that even when they get massage and do meditation and do all these great strategies to take their mind off of things, their mind still continuously wanders back to those worries that are just stuck. So going to treatment can really help you understand yourself better, to bring a better sense of inner peace so that you can let those worry thoughts go. There are a lot of unhealthy traps that can catch people with anxiety. For example, some people drink a lot of alcohol at the end of the day to calm down those worries and make themselves forget them, or turn to other substances. The important thing to know is that using substances and drinking alcohol over time will increase your body's anxiety and is addictive. So it's important to find a more long-term, healthier solution for your anxiety to bring you true peace. So if you think you may have an anxiety disorder, you deserve to feel better and be at more peace with yourself. Do yourself the service of asking for help and going to treatment. You will be surprised at how much strength you have and how much you can change.